Sew Magical Expo is a sewing and crafting event that holds over 50 plus classes for all skill levels and variety of interests. We have a vendor hall with a ton of small business and big business vendors that are super unique, but we also have meetups, exchanges, and one-of-a-kind exhibits like our D-Stash Bash. We host a fashion show each year as well that allows people to not just bring their handmade outfits, costumes, cosplays, but also allow quilt makers and bag makers to strut their stuff down the runway. We focus on all things magical and unique here at Sew Magical Expo. The next Sew Magical Expo takes place October 8th through October 10th, 2021, here at Gaylord Palms in the Orlando Kissimmee area of Florida. Just minutes from Disney and not too far from Universal Studios either for all my special Harry Potter fans out there. As you can see, Gaylord Palms is a beautiful and expansive hotel that offers a ton of amenities for our guests every single year we come back. There's even a water park attached. We offer half off parking, discounted room rates, and there are a ton of dining options here on site for every single one of you. The beauty in the size of this hotel allows Sew Magical guests to bring their whole family and have a full-on vacation while they're here without ever having to leave the hotel. And if you want to visit the Magical Mouse down the street, they have shuttles that'll take you there all day. The classes we offer range from a large variety of both skill types and interest levels. We have sewing-based classes that range anywhere from making your own ears to 18th century historical skirts, all the way to making a quilted table runner. For crafting, we have classes such as chainmail jewelry, Cricut 101, and we even have woodworking-based classes this year. Every year, we're trying to add new categories to really make sure our students are always learning something new and constantly staying inspired. This year, we've listened and we added machines for you guys to rent. You will be able to rent them for an individual class, overnight, and even during your lunch break. Another amazing and fun event that we added this year is a sponsored one for the ribbon scavenger hunt. You will be able to go visit every vendor and collect a prize ribbon. With that prize ribbon, once you've collected them all, plus one or two other special ones, you will then be entered into a raffle for free to win an embroidery machine that's valued over $1,000. There's now a Sew Magical Lounge, which will be open 24 hours a day. It allows you to go in, work on a project, chat, hang out with friends, do meetups and exchanges, whatever you guys can think of. It is the ultimate chill out spot for our guests this year. And we even have special teacher hours where we're gonna have one of our amazing teachers in the room to help you, our guests. They will answer your questions and help you on projects and even start a project if you really want to. Plus, the D-Stash Bash has grown so large this year that we had to take it out of the vendor hall and put it in its own room this year. It's going to be massive. And if you're a Patreon member, you will get early access if you're in one of our top tiers. So make sure you check out our Patreon account as well. We offer a unique experience of having both sewing and crafting. We want to create an environment that allows our guests to feel inspired, meet new people, and really think that they can learn something new, even if it's something they never thought they could before. Really cool exhibits and meetups, and there's a ton. They're hosted by our guests. They range from topics such as Okla Rudy's meetups. We have a boozy craft exchange, ears exchange, ornaments, zipper swaps, you name it, there's probably an exchange for it this year at Sew Magical Expo. We even have a onesie party on Saturday night that is going to be so much fun. We're even celebrating some of our guests and teachers' birthdays. Make sure you join us for that. As of July 2021, Gaylord Palms has dropped their social distancing and mask mandates. Sew Magical Expo puts their guests' safety and enjoyment first and foremost. So if you have any comments or concerns or questions, please contact us directly. We can't wait to see you at Sew Magical Expo here in 2021, and stay tuned because 2022 dates are right around the corner. see how far I can get into this segment without messing up. Okay, ready? So we're still on what is Sew Magical Expo. Sew Magical Expo, see, now I can't say the word expo. All right. One of a kind, see, I messed up early on and then I kept going. Okay, hold on. This is when you need like, huh? Makeup. I need a powder break. Okay. Thanks, babe. Okay, I'm gonna try again. Ready? Sew Magical Expo is a sewing and crafting event that takes... Okay, I'm on the next question. Hold on. You know you're getting hot when your glasses start fogging? Okay, I'm gonna do it again. And only you can do it here at Sew Magical Expo. That was tacky. Okay, don't put that in. Don't put that in. No fuss, no must. That was bad too. Okay, I'm just gonna go on the next part. Lead exhibit. I said exhibits. I said exchanges. It's not as easy as it looks. I am sweating. See, am I shiny?
No, you're not shiny yet.
Thank you. Okay. Large amount of guest-led say exhibits, exchanges. Shut up, you're annoying. All right, give me a 2-minute break. Oh, one sec. I'm schwitzing. I forgot the freaking paper towels. Yeah? Yeah? Okay, one more? Okay. One more! Free coffee. That's the most unique thing because we have free coffee and everybody loves coffee at 8 o'clock in the morning classes.